Hello everyone, Simon here from CreativeTradingSystem.com. I'm making this video as a weekly recap and trades taken last week, which ended today, right now at 6 p.m. Friday. So let's get started. And after that, I'm going to have to go somewhere. So I want to just make this and get it out of the way. So here, the week started on the 11th, and this is the gold trade going to the downside here for 300 pip. You can see the yellow marks tell you that, my entry is right there, buy or sell. Right, so this is a sell order there, and this is USD yen on the 1170 pips buy order is right there. Beautiful by the book entry. And this one, next one is on the 12 pound yen going to the upside. This is like sideways, big move. Actually, after big move, this is sideways. Then big move, this is sideways. Then again, entry and then gone. So this was the entry. This was the entry. All of these were entries. The system gives you multiple entries all the time. So on the 12th, pound Aussie again, it was like bearish here, and then all of a sudden news comes out. Aussie start to get weaker. Basically, this was pound news actually. Pound got start to get strong, and took that Euro Aussie pound Aussie pound USD and pound yen to the upside. So this was 90 pip going long. This is gold going down for 150 pip. And this is on the 13 Euro USD going to the upside for 70 pip. Buy orders right there. And this is pound USD. Like I said, the pound started to get strong. Pound Aussie, pound USD, and pound yen all went up. And this is the buy orders right there by the book entry and then gone. This entry is usually, not usually, I mean, I took it basically at 11. Then I held it because I saw that, pound was getting strong and the USD was not budging. So, and my target was upper TL anyway, so it went up there anyway. And now this one, USD yen going down. This was the beautiful entry by the book on the 14th. And this is pound Aussie 20-minute chart. You can see 130 pip to the upside on the 14th. And on the 14th, Euro yen now coming down. Yen was, flopping last week a lot. So this is 95 pip to the downside, and then CAD yen also went down here for 80 pip, and then this one pound again yen start to get weaker, and then all yen pairs start to go up. Buy order on the 14 pound yen start to go to the upside, and this one is 90 USD yen going to the upside for 90 pip here by the book entry, and this is it. Right. So not a very active week. I mean, maybe like say 13, 14 trades altogether. Usually I have 25, 30 trades, right? But still a very good positive week, right? So this is it. And for next week, by the way, I have a couple of trades, set up to show like USD index. This is how it is, right? So I had it that it's going to bounce from here, and it did bounce, but then came back down again a little bit. Not much, right? So next week, I'm hoping that somewhere here is going to go to the upside. And what will happen? Euro USD, pound USD will go down, and USD yen and USD CAD will go up. So let's take a look at the euro, for example. If I show you pound USD, see this all the way to the upside, and this is the chart I made, and it's supposed to come down, right? With the USD strength. And similarly, pound USD, pound Aussie, also you can see all the way there. But we're supposed to look at the USD pair, right? So Euro USD, you can see here, right? Beautiful entry that, and then not entry, uh, fib. And then you can see that 78% touch drop, and then again it went up touch, but not going to the upside. So if USD start to get strong next week, like I just showed you, this thing is also going to drop. USD yen supposed to go up, and this is, see, it started to go up, and then we closed the day. And but USD get weaker, stronger next week. This will go up and then break this area, then we will go up to the upside. CAD yen also supposed to go up. So let's see, not CAD yen, CAD USD or USD CAD. USD CAD, you can see here, right? This was my target, is this. Redo the charts, all of those charts. So, but this one, you can see that this started to go up again slowly, right? So if USD get strong more, it will go here towards the target. Similarly, I have the chart for yen index. So this is the chart, right? And like I said, that last week, so it's down and then up and down, and that's what happened when it is not, trending or sideways. So now this one, I made the chart that this thing start to go up, It will bounce. If it stays above 71.10, it will go to the upside. So far, I think that it started to go. Let me just go quickly and see that it started to go up a little bit, but then comes Friday and we stop. But I think next week, yen index going up means yen is getting weaker, and then if yen is gonna get weaker, all yen pair will go up. So see, it started to bounce already. I made this chart. See that? From this yellow line, yellow band, 7100 is supposed to bounce. My yellow mark is my first preference. Blue is the second, right? So first one was that it's gonna bounce and go up, and look what happened. It bounced exactly from there, and so far we ended up week here, right? So we ended the week here on the bullish move, and hopefully it will continue when the market opens up. Right. So if that goes up, all yen pair has a chance to go up. So let's take a look if really that's going to happen. So USD yen we already saw that's supposed to be going to the upside. Yen, this was my chart, and then it went up there, came down, and then again started go up, right? So this one I'll redo the chart. If you break this area, we may go up to 72 and 92 and even higher. Pound yen, for that matter, need to go up, and yes, you see that. Big move to the upside, but then A, B, and then I was expecting that C, it will come down here. Sideways movement means maybe a wave 4, and then follow up. It will followed by wave 5, right, to the upside. So it started to go up. If yen index, it will go up, then this will also go up. But yen is very, very strong and all the way to the upside, extended, and it may drop. So need to be very careful with that yen index chart. Let me just show you quickly that what the heck? You see that big straight up move to the upside all the way to touching 78% of this drop. So a very solid chance of dropping from there, right? And usually it goes back to 38%, which is coming to this area here. If that happened, then my Pound Aussie and Pound USD, we have a very nice setup, right? Pound, where the heck they are? Pound USD and Pound Aussie, they are all the way up. If Pound get weaker, we're gonna drop big time. So be ready for this drop and be ready for this drop. All right. So this is it for now. And then many, many other setups. I'm just, this is on the tip of my fingers, and I'll sit down. I'm going for fishing now. Probably with my son. No, maybe not. He's going with his friend now. So I'll do some other things, and then later on, maybe tomorrow, I'll sit down and redo all the charts and then find out some more new good setups. And I will send out to my subscriber, and I'll post on the Telegram. That is my subscribers Telegram. So if you want these charts, you want the system, you want to do trading and taking the trades like I just showed you, then go on my website, subscribe, be a part of it. Or if you're in need of learning everything from A to Z, go ahead on my website, sign up for one-on-one. I think I have finished a couple of them, so I can take some more over the weekend. I can start some more and take advantage of that, because sometimes the spots are full and I can't take anymore, right? So right now, yes, I can, and book your spot and then learn and become master. Become master and then trade the way I just showed you. This is a bad week, by the way, right? But the good week usually is like 25, 30 trades. And, just one trade will, cover the cost of the subscription. Just one trade in a whole month. And then you imagine every week, 20 trades, how many trades you can have with this system. Yeah, amazing, amazing, amazing. All right, so this is it for now, and I hope you all have a wonderful, wonderful weekend and enjoy, and talk to you guys later.